Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1990, the Blue Ribbon Bakery debuted on Main Street, USA at Disneyland. It replaced the Sunkist Citrus House between the Penny Arcade and the Carnation Cafe. The bakery specialized in pastries, muffins, cookies, sandwiches, and coffee drinks. The story was that a European baker moved to America in 1901, entered his treats into the state fair. He won several blue ribbons and enough prize to realize his dream of owning a bakery, and it did open 35 years ago. Do you remember it? What was your favorite thing there? I loved it. Anyway, have a magical day.